Yo, what's up suspects, welcome back to the channel. The Santorini car is actually down. He's been down for like 2 weeks now, so I've been carless. We had an issue with the throttle cable. The throttle cable snapped, so we ended up buying the whole assembly from BM. So I'll show you guys the parts and the parts list. Yeah, let me show you guys what happened. So as you guys can see, this whole thing here that connects to the throttle cable and the pedal all broke. I don't know what happened. And then the source of the crime is here. This over here, snap. So that's the main issue there. So yeah, we're just waiting for Leng. Leng's gonna come and sort this out. He knows this better than I do. Guys, so here's all the parts here. So as you can see, it's a throttle cable. Shows right there to the front. We've got a whole lot of bushings and washers and clips. Here's that. There's new metal piece for this new spring and stuff. And then, yeah, new pedal, all these clips and bushings and stuff. So everything came out to I'll put the whole parts list and the costings up. I think it came up to about 2,600 from BMW. So all the new parts, the whole new assembly. Yeah, I'll put up the invoice so you guys can check it out and you have part numbers. So for now, we're waiting for Leng and we'll update you guys as we go on. Okay, so we got Leng in the house. We had to remove the kick panel to get access there, but this thing just clips out. Leng?
Yeah, it just clips out. Just clips out.
Oh yeah. So
it's on broke there, yeah.
At the top as well.
At the top as well, yeah. Here's that piece.
Yeah, so we got a whole new assembly there for it.
Brand new from BMW.
Yo, these cars are getting so hard to maintain, bro. I realize if you wanna daily drive them, you must be able to afford BMW maintenance, boss. Yeah. Send it to BM.
I don't think this one has an OEM cable.
This cable was changed before.
Yeah.
Because yeah, even the way it was sitting in the engine bay, it wasn't to the back. It's coming out like this. And all these parts had to come from Germany, so we had to wait 10 days, they said. These are all the parts here that we needed. A lot of small grommets and washers. And the main thing, the cable that snapped. Okay, I have to knock it through the firewall.
Yeah, no, there are two clips. I just knocked one clip down so it can get out. These two clips. I have to press these two clips. So this one's quite hard when it's in.
Oh, these ones here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it's out. Okay. Yeah, it's still looking on something there. Easier to replace it than to take it out.
To take it out, yeah.
Usually it's the reverse. To adjust it. The keys there. Yeah, it's working, yeah.
So it's running again.
It feels so smooth, like butter, like big springy. Check it out. Give us a few guys. Tell me what you think about it. Yeah, shame. You had to push the car.
I had to push this car. Firstly, I had to push this car, but yeah,
We're back in the game.
back in the game. Actually, does feel nice.
Yeah.
Never felt
Like,
the old
it
one.
feels like yeah, the other one, the old one was like stiff and stuff. But hey, man, if there's anything, cars are getting a bit hectic to drive every day. So yeah, I think we need to shop for a daily Tish. What do you think?
Yeah,
Maybe
you need to get a daily now.
Maybe a TSI, maybe a 20D. I don't know. Let us know in the comments, guys. What should we get? What suggestions?
20D is not good for us.
Not, but hey, yeah, the 20D, the maintenance was hectic the last time we had one. So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think is the perfect daily? I mean, we need to do long distance trips, pick up more M's for you guys. At least today's fix was an easy fix. It wasn't too hard. It took us about an hour or so. Well, it took Leng about an hour or so. Drop Leng's details below if you guys need any help with your cars. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode.